This is from science, that the area just behind your forehead, and we'll do this very quickly, you put your thumb in the middle and put your fingers over the top. That's a really handy model of the brain. And you have your spinal cord, your brain stem, your limbic areas all there. The part we're going to talk about is the cortex, and the frontmost part pulls it all together. The part we're talking about is your middle two fingernails right there, that area. If you lift it up and put it down, notice that it connects everything. And that's true with this area called the middle prefrontal cortex, that which reflection develops. Now watch this. Here are the middle prefrontal functions that Mindsight promotes. Watch this. And you think about how many of these you would like. Bodily regulation, so you keep your heart and your intestines working well. Attuned communication with yourself and others. The ability to have emotional balance, so life has meaning and energy, but not too much so it's chaotic, too little so it's rigid. The notion that you have the extinction of fear. You also have the ability to be flexible and pause before you respond. You have the capacity for insight into yourself and then empathy into other people. You also have this capacity for morality, to realize we are a part of a larger whole and we enact behaviors and can imagine what it's like to be for the greater good. And finally, accessing intuition. Now, how many of you would like to have that in your life? Yeah. This is possible. Research shows that empathic relationships and reflective skill training promote these. Of course, anyone who's a parent knows you can flip your lid and sometimes lose any of those, right? And any of you do that as parents? There you go. Well, you can see. Now, the fact is we can develop these in children. All 9 of these middle prefrontal functions can be what we're aiming for so that we deliver in education an integrated brain. An integrated brain. And what we would have then, in conclusion, is a child who honors the way the mind is important, that the circuitry of compassion has been developed so that relationships, the brain, and the mind become a triangle embedded in this child's synaptic connections. So they realize they're a part of a larger whole, they feel attuned to themselves, they feel committed and responsible for others, and they go forward in life with the synaptic circuitry that allows them to feel connected, to have a sense of equanimity, to have wisdom in their life, and a sense of responsibility for all living beings on our planet. Thank you very much.